And this is actually one of the reasons that that commercial insurance and the small business side hasn't digitized itself as fully yet, is the data ecosystem for commercial insurance is really not very robust.
Yeah.
There are lots of companies that are working on it and trying to get it, but the real challenge in whether it's workers' compensation insurance or frankly other lines of business is properly and accurately evaluating what the business actually does. And there's a lot of gray area in that determination, which is not well captured inside the class codes for workers' compensation or the ISO codes for GL or things of that nature. When you think about, again, I'll do a lot of comparisons to personal auto insurance because that's where I come from.
Yeah.
Personal auto insurance is very finite. It's actually quite complex, but it's very finite. You are the number of people on the policy, that there's a gender, there's an age, there's a marital status, there's a driving record associated with that person, there's credit scores associated with them. Those are finite, discrete elements that are very particular. And then you have vehicles with symbols and model years and other things that go with that, and that forms a very discrete sort of structured data set that it has its own sort of realities that you can calculate off of.
Yeah.
Joe's handyman service, that's the same thing, does not exist for that.
Right.
It's what does Joe's handyman service does? What do they do? And the old business categorization information things are just not very good and very robust. And so that's actually one of the challenges that we're working every day to solve, is how do we identify what the business actually does? That's the key to doing commercial insurance well. Hi, this is John Swigart. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Pi Insurance, and this is the future of insurance.